So today we're going to be talking about different ways that we can look at decimals. So instead of just looking at it as money, we can actually visualize it as in a bar, like up here, or we can look at it as a grid down here. So the first one says the bar below represents one whole or one. So from here to here is one. So we think of $1. So right now we have $1. It's saying to shade 6/10 and then shade 200. So go ahead, make sure you have your SAB out to page 39. So 6/10. So if you notice, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 little boxes. So the whole box represents 1/10. And then there's 10 hundredths in each tenth because that's thinking of pennies. So you think of how 100 pennies equals $1. So we're going to shade in 6/10. So you should shade in 1, 2, 3. Do this with me. 4, 5, 6. And then it says to shade in 200s, which might be kind of hard for me. So I'm going to zoom in so I can really see what I'm shading. Shade in 200s. I'm going to zoom back out. So, I shaded in 6/10 and 200s. Why does the drawing show 6/10 plus 200s equals 60 plus 2 equals 62 hundredths? So, you need to think of it as money. If you have 6 dimes, that would equal 60 cents. And then you have 2 pennies, and that's representing your hundredths. And that's adding 2 cents. And then putting those two together, that is 62 cents. So if I had 6 dimes and 2 pennies, I would have 62 cents. So what you're going to do for the rest of the page is you are going to show different ways to represent decimals. So the next one, the number line below is labeled by tenths from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. Begin at 0 and circle a distance to show 28 hundredths. So think about that. Think about where that falls on the number line, somewhere in between here. So you're going to circle from 0 to somewhere in here where you think 28 hundredths is. Where's 28 hundredths on this number line? And then it's asking you to do 74 hundredths. So where would that be? So maybe do 2 different colors. And then you need to go and you're going to use the grid. So the grid down here, you're going to look at the grids. So you're going to show 4 tenths. So this is 100 altogether. So to show 40 tenths, you would color in 1, that'd be 1/10, 2, 3, 4. So that's representing 40 tenths. Obviously, you can color a little bit better than me, and so on. So go ahead and finish this page. If you have any questions, raise your hand.